Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of an incredible tropical fruit that's not only delicious, but also packed with numerous health benefits, jackfruit. Whether you're a foodie, a health enthusiast, or just curious about this amazing fruit, you're in the right place. So, let's jump right in and explore the top 10 health benefits of jackfruit and why you should consider adding it to your diet. 1. Boosts immune system. First up, did you know that jackfruit can give your immune system a supercharge? This tropical fruit is rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. It helps your body fend off infections and keeps you feeling great all year round. 2. Enhances digestive health. Next on the list is digestive health. Jackfruit is loaded with dietary fiber, making it a natural aid for digestion. It helps maintain regular bowel movements and can even act as a natural laxative. So, if you're looking for a tasty way to support your digestive system, jackfruit is the answer. 3. Regulates blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and jackfruit can help with that too. Thanks to its low glycemic index and the presence of compounds that inhibit the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugar, jackfruit can be a good addition to a balanced diet for those managing diabetes. 4. Promotes heart health. Heart health is another key benefit of jackfruit. This fruit is rich in potassium, which helps lower blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Plus, the fiber in jackfruit helps reduce cholesterol levels, further supporting a healthy heart. 5. Provides skin protection. Who doesn't want glowing, healthy skin? Jackfruit is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, which protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. 6. Helps in weight management. Struggling with weight management? Jackfruit can be your ally. It's low in calories and high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full longer. Additionally, it contains acetic linoleic acid that helps your body use energy more efficiently, aiding in weight loss, strengthens bones and teeth. For strong bones and teeth, look no further than jackfruit. It's a great source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Plus, the vitamin C in jackfruit promotes the health of your teeth and gums. 8. May reduce cancer risk. Believe it or not, jackfruit may reduce your risk of cancer. It's rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients that protect your cells from damage and inflammation, which are linked to cancer development. This makes jackfruit a potential ally in your fight against cancer. 9. Improves vision. Jackfruit also supports eye health. It contains vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good vision, and zeaxanthin, which protects your eyes from harmful UV rays. So grab some jackfruit for those healthy peepers. 10. Combats insomnia. Last but not least, if you have trouble sleeping, jackfruit might help. This fruit contains magnesium, which is known to improve sleep quality. So incorporating jackfruit into your diet might just help you get that good night's sleep you've been craving. There you have it, 10 amazing health benefits of jackfruit. From boosting your immune system and aiding digestion to promoting heart health and improving your skin, jackfruit is truly a wonderfruit. Whether you eat it raw, cooked, or as a meat substitute, there are countless ways to enjoy its benefits. Try incorporating jackfruit into your meals and experience these benefits yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more health tips and delicious recipes.